HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, I've got a fix to an extremely common problem with a lot of Hondas, including CR-Vs. No hood latch. But, got a nice metal one to go on here. I'll put a link in the description to that. But the first thing we want to do, essentially just pop off this side cover. You may have, yours might be a little easier, or a little harder to get off. Probably got that pin in there. This one's been long gone for a while, and we either need to try to get this off, which might be hard to do, or they said cut it with like an X-Acto knife and break off part of it so that you can put this on there, because that will only fit onto the bolt itself. All right guys, so I just figured it out. This is not screwed on. It's actually just kind of made onto that. So I just broke it off. They do say you can cut it or whatever, but it came off pretty easily. So this piece has couple set screws that go in here, right there. Get those put in here, slide this on. That should look pretty good. All right guys, there it is. Got a new hood latch in place, and it is a little tighter. I think I messed up the mechanism a little bit. It's probably gonna grease it, but it does work. It hangs on enough that you can open and close it, so that's good.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at amsoil.com.